Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, you will learn how to build a web application using Python 3.6, the Sanic web framework, and uWSGI as a deployment server. Sanic is a lightweight and fast asynchronous web framework for Python that is ideal for building high-performance web applications. uWSGI is a popular application server that can serve Python web applications efficiently. We'll cover the installation, setup, and a simple example to get you started. Before you begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites installed. It's a good practice to work within a virtual environment to isolate your project dependencies. To create a virtual environment, open your terminal and run. You'll need to install Sanic and uWSGI in your virtual environment. Run the following commands. Let's create a simple Sanic web application. Create a new Python file, for example, app.py, and add the following code. This code sets up a basic Sanic web application with a single root that responds with "Hello, Sanic," when you access the root URL. You can test your Sanic application by running it using the development server. In your terminal, run. Your Sanic application should be running at http://127.0.0.1:8000. Open your web browser and navigate to that address to see your "Hello, Sanic" message. Now, let's configure uWSGI to serve your Sanic application. Create a uWSGI configuration file, for example, uWSGI.ini, with the following content. This uWSGI configuration specifies various routing rules and sets up the socket for your application to run on port 8000. To deploy your Sanic application using uWSGI, run the following command in your terminal. This will start uWSGI with the configuration file you created, and your Sanic application will be available at http://127.0.0.1:8000. You can access your deployed Sanic application by opening a web browser and navigating to http://127.0.0.1:8000. You should see the "Hello, Sanic" message, and your application is now running with uWSGI. In this tutorial, you've learned how to create a simple Python 3.6 web application using the Sanic web framework and deploy it with uWSGI. You can now build upon this foundation to create more complex web applications and explore the additional features and capabilities of Sanic and uWSGI. Happy coding! ChatGPT